बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। टांगाइल ऑनलाइन क्लास। I am Rashid, lecturer in English, Bhaigat Ideal Degree College, Dongbari, Tangail. How are you, learners? I am fine, thank you. I am going to discuss incomplete to complete sentence. Subject HHC English second paper, part 3. Follow the students and start writing. And follow the blackboard. So, completing sentence. Rules: though, oblique, although. Though, oblique, although. Structure, though, oblique, although, plus subject, plus verb, subject plus verb, plus noun, plus comma, plus again subject, plus verb, plus adjective. Adjective oblique adverb. Adjective oblique adverb. Again, though, oblique, although, subject plus verb plus noun plus comma plus subject plus verb plus adjective oblique adverb. Example. Dash, he is poor, comma, he is honest. He is poor, comma, he is honest. First sentence, subject, verb, noun. Second sentence, subject, verb, adjective. Incomplete sentence. Though. It's a correct sentence. Next rule. Because of. Structure. Because of. Structure, subject, subject plus verb plus noun plus because of, noun plus because of, plus possessive case, plus extension, structure, subject plus verb plus noun plus because of plus possessive case plus extension. Example, follow the students and always discuss the students. Example, they miss the train because they miss the train because of dot 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 dot. It's a incomplete sentence. And complete sentence. They miss the train because of my because of their delay. Subject, verb, past form, noun, because of their delay, extension. It's a correct sentence. They miss the train because of their delay. Have you understand the students? It's a easy sentence, but no difficult sentence. Next rule. As soon as structure. As soon as plus subject plus verb 2 plus object plus comma plus subject, again subject plus verb 2 plus extension plus extension. As soon as subject plus verb 2 plus object plus comma plus subject plus verb 2 plus extension. Example, as soon as the thief saw the police comma dot 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 dot. Police comma dot 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 dot. It's a incomplete sentence. As soon as the thief saw the police. Incorrect sentence. He ran away. It's a correct sentence. As soon as subject, verb past form, object, comma, subject, past form, verb, extension. It's clear, students? Okay. Next rule. It's a conditional. If, join if. Structure. If plus would have, if plus subject, if plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus comma plus subject, again subject again subject plus would have would have, oblique could have, oblique could have, oblique might have, plus verb 3 first participle from plus object plus extension, object plus extension, if plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus comma plus subject plus would have, could have, should have, might have plus verb 3 plus object plus extension. Example. If you had worked hard, if you had worked hard, comma dot. It's a conditional sentence. It's a conditional sentence. If you had worked hard, if join past perfect tense, if plus subject plus had plus verb past participle from plus object plus correct sentence, you would have succeeded. Succeed in life. It's a correct sentence. You would have succeeded in life. It's a correct sentence. Thank you, students. Next rule. As structure subject plus verb plus as plus subject plus verb plus as plus adjective oblique positive degree plus as plus object subject plus verb plus as plus adjective oblique positive degree plus as plus object structure. It's a structure, and follow the blackboard all the students and always discuss these rules and sentence and practice the all board. Next example. Jim and Della were dash wise dash the Magi. Jim and Della were dash wise dash the Magi. It's a wrong sentence and incomplete sentence, and this is the correct sentence. Sentence as wise as the Magi. It's a correct sentence. তাহলে জিম এন্ড ডেলা ওয়ার as wise as the magi. Next rule, the students. Not only dot dot but also. Not only dot dot but also. Not only dot dot but also. Example, he is dash a good student. Good student. He is dash a good student dash a good player. Good player. তাহলে he subject verb not only. It's incorrect sentence and correct sentence. Subject verb not only, not only a good student but also also a good player. It's a correct sentence. তাহলে subject verb not only, article adjective noun but also article adjective player object player object. Next, the rules. Since oblique for. Since oblique for. Structure. Since oblique for. Structure. Subject plus have been, oblique has been, plus verb in present participle. Present participle plus object. Object plus since oblique for plus extension. Since oblique for plus extension. Again, subject plus have been, has been, plus verb present participle plus object plus since oblique for plus extension. It's a present perfect continuous tense. It's a present perfect continuous tense. Next example. It dash cats and dogs since morning. Since morning. Number 2, he dash suffering from fever for 7 days. 7 days. It's a correct, incorrect sentence. And correct sentence, present perfect continuous tense. Then it has been raining cats and dogs since morning. He has been suffering from fever for 7 days. 7 days. Thanks. Only this suggests all the students practice these boards and exercise. Thank you very much. See you again. Khuda Hafiz.